Hello friends, today I will give you an overview about shuttle. What is shuttle? Shuttle are used to transport NADH from mitochondria to cytoplasm because the inner mitochondrial membrane is impermeable to NADH. We have two types of shuttle. First is malate aspartate shuttle. To remember where malate aspartate shuttle are used in our body, I come up with this mnemonic Mali hai, in which MA stands for malate aspartate, LI stands for liver, and H is for heart. Now, second type of shuttle is glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle. For glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle, mnemonic is SUBG, in which S stands for skeletal muscle, B stands for brain, and G for glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle. These mnemonic will help you to remember for longer period of time. So first is malate aspartate shuttle to transfer NADH from cytoplasm to mitochondria. In cytoplasm, aspartate is first converted into oxaloacetate and then oxaloacetate is converted into malate in the presence of cytosolic malate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here, NADH is converted into NAD+. Now this malate is transported from cytoplasm to mitochondrial matrix. In mitochondrial matrix, malate is converted into oxaloacetate in the presence of mitochondrial malate dehydrogenase and NAD is converted into NADH. Now this NADH will take part into the ETC. Now oxaloacetate is converted into aspartate and this aspartate is transported from matrix to cytoplasm. Now second one is glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle. In cytoplasm, dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted into glycerol 3-phosphate in the presence of enzyme glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase and here NADH is converted into NAD. Now this glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle is transferred from cytoplasm to mitochondria or in mitochondria, glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle is converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate in the presence of mitochondrial glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase and here one FAD give us FADH2. So in glycerol 3-phosphate shuttle, one NADH give us one FADH2